Welcome friends, let us start our course Field Theory with the first chapter, Algebraic Extensions of Fields. First section of this chapter is Irreducible Polynomials and Einstein Criteria. In this section, we will study the definition of reducible polynomial, irreducible polynomial, then the properties of the polynomial ring fx over a field f, and then some results for testing the reducibility and irreducibility of the polynomials. So first we revise the definition of field. Field is a commutative ring with unity in which every non-zero element is unit. Every non-zero element is unit means for every non-zero element of the field there exists a multiplicative inverse for that element. We know that if f is field, then fx is polynomial ring over f, where fx is equals to the set of all polynomials a0 plus a1x plus up to an x raised to n, such that a0 a1 up to an belongs to field f. There is one result in ring theory according to which if f is a field, then a polynomial ring fx over a field f is an integral domain with unity. Remember that whenever f is field and fx is a polynomial ring, so polynomial ring over the field f, then f is contained in polynomial ring fx. Now our first definition is irreducible polynomial. Let f of x be a polynomial from the polynomial ring fx such that degree of this f of x is greater than equal to 1. That is, this f of x is non-constant polynomial. And if f of x is equals to some h of x into g of x, where this h of x and g of x belongs to polynomial ring fx, such that either h of x belongs to field f or g of x belongs to field f. That is, either h of x is a constant polynomial or g of x is a constant polynomial. Then we can say that this f of x is irreducible polynomial in polynomial ring fx. For example, if we consider the set of real numbers with respect to binary operation addition and multiplication, then the set of real number is field, and f of x is equals to 2x plus 2. This is belongs to polynomial ring Rx. Then we can write f of x is equals to 2x plus 2, which is equals to 2 into x plus 1, where this 2 and x plus 1 belongs to polynomial ring Rx. But here this 2 is also belongs to field R, that is, this 2 is real number. So if we write h of x is equals to 2 and g of x is equals to x plus 1, then f of x can be written as h of x into g of x, where this h of x is equals to 2 and h of x belongs to set of real numbers. That is, this h of x is constant. So by the definition of the irreducible polynomial, we can say that f of x is irreducible polynomial in polynomial ring Rx. Now the next definition is reducible polynomial. If f of x is a polynomial from polynomial ring fx and f of x is not irreducible in polynomial ring fx, then we can say that this polynomial f of x is reducible in polynomial ring fx. Simple meaning. Not irreducible means reducible. For example, again we consider same field, set of real numbers with respect to binary operation addition and multiplication. Then the polynomial f of x is equals to x square minus 1 is belongs to polynomial ring Rx. But here f of x can be written as x minus 1, x plus 1, where this x minus 1 and x plus 1 belongs to polynomial ring Rx, because the coefficients of these polynomials are real numbers. Here 1 and minus 1 are real numbers. Here also 1 and plus 1 are real numbers. So these both the polynomials belongs to polynomial ring Rx. But x minus 1 and x plus 1 does not belongs to set of real numbers, because in set of real numbers there are only constant polynomials, but x minus 1 and x plus 1 are non-constant polynomials, because here degree of x minus 1 is 1 and here degree of x plus 1 is 1. Therefore neither x minus 1 nor x plus 1 belongs to set of real numbers, and therefore we can say that f of x is reducible in polynomial ring Rx. Now there is one remark. Irreducibility of the polynomial depends on the nature of the field. For this, if we consider a polynomial f of x is equals to x square plus 1. Polynomial f of x is equals to x square plus 1. Now first we consider a field set of real numbers with binary operation addition and multiplication. Then clearly f of x is equals to x square plus 1 belongs to polynomial ring Rx, because here coefficient of x square is 1 and this one both belongs to set of real numbers. 1 and 1 are real numbers. Therefore f of x is equals to x square plus 1 belongs to polynomial ring Rx. But the only way to write f of x is equals to x square plus 1 is 1 into x square plus 1, where this 1 and x square plus 1 belongs to polynomial ring Rx. But this 1 is real number, that is but 1 belongs to set of real numbers. Therefore by the definition of the irreducibility, we have f of x is irreducible in polynomial ring Rx. Now we consider a same polynomial again. F of x is equals to x square plus 1. But here we consider a field, second field of complex number with binary operation addition and multiplication. Then clearly f of x is equals to x square plus 1 belongs to polynomial ring Cx. But here f of x can be written as x square minus 1, that is x square minus I square, because I square is minus 1, where I is an imaginary number. So this can be written as x minus I into x plus I. Both x minus I and x plus I belongs to polynomial ring Cx, because here coefficient of x is 1 and this I both belongs to set of complex numbers. Also here coefficient of x is 1 and this I both belongs to set of complex numbers. Therefore x minus I and x plus I belongs to polynomial ring Cx. But x minus I and x plus I both polynomials have degree 1, that is they are non-constant polynomial, as x minus I and x plus I are non-constant polynomials. Therefore, neither x minus I nor x minus I belongs to set of complex numbers. Therefore, f of x is equals to x square plus 1 is reducible in polynomial ring Cx. As neither x minus I nor x plus I belongs to set of complex numbers. Therefore, by the definition of irreducible polynomial, polynomial f of x is equals to x square plus 1 is not irreducible in polynomial ring Cx and not irreducible. Therefore, f of x is equals to x square plus 1 is reducible in polynomial ring Cx. Here polynomial is same, f of x is equals to x square plus 1, but it is reducible in polynomial ring Cx and irreducible in polynomial ring Rx. Therefore, irreducibility of the polynomials depend on the nature of the field. Now the first point of this section is properties of polynomial ring fx. So the first property of this polynomial ring is division algorithm holds in polynomial ring fx. That is, if a polynomial f of x belongs to polynomial ring fx and a non-zero polynomial g of x is member of polynomial ring fx, then there exist unique polynomials q of x and r of x in polynomial ring fx such that f of x can be written as g of x into q of x plus r of x, where r of x is equals to 0 or degree of r of x is less than degree of g of x. Second property is a polynomial ring fx is PID. PID means principal ideal domain. Principal ideal domain. That is, every ideal of this polynomial ring fx, every ideal of polynomial ring fx is principal ideal. Every ideal of polynomial ring fx is principal ideal. Next property is polynomial ring fx is UFD. UFD means unique factorization domain. Unique factorization domain. That is, every polynomial f of x belongs to polynomial ring fx can be uniquely factored. F of x belongs to f of x. F of x can be uniquely factored. Now the fourth one is the units of polynomial ring fx are the non-zero elements of the field f. The units of polynomial ring fx are the non-zero elements of f. That is, units of f are the units of polynomial ring fx. Now the fifth property is the polynomial p of x is irreducible if and only if, actually p of x is irreducible in polynomial ring fx if and only if the quotient ring fx by ideal generated by px is filled. The first proposition of this section. Let f of x belongs to fx be a polynomial of degree greater than 1. And if f of alpha is equals to 0 for some alpha belongs to field f, then f of x is reducible over f. So let us start the proof. Let f of x belongs to polynomial ring fx with degree of f of x is greater than 1 and f of alpha is equals to 0 for some alpha belongs to f. This is given. We know that by the first property of the polynomial ring, division algorithm holds in polynomial ring. That is, for f of x belongs to polynomial ring fx and non-zero polynomial g of x such that g of x belongs to polynomial ring fx, there exists unique q of x and r of x belongs to this polynomial ring such that f of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x, where r of x is equals to 0 or degree of r of x less than degree of g of x. Now, as x minus alpha not equals to 0, therefore we can replace this g of x by x minus alpha. And then f of x becomes x minus alpha into q of x plus r of x, where r of x is equals to 0 or degree of r of x is less than degree of x minus alpha. And here degree of x minus alpha is equals to 1. That is, this r of x is constant polynomial, and this gives that this r of x belongs to field f. Now, f of alpha is equals to, as f of x is equals to x minus alpha into q of x plus r of x, therefore f of alpha can be written as alpha minus alpha into q of x plus r of x. But f of alpha is equals to 0. Thus, this becomes 0 equals to alpha minus alpha is 0 into q of x plus r of x. This gives that r of x is equals to 0. And as r of x is equals to 0, therefore this f of x can be written as f of x is equals to x minus alpha into q of x, because this r of x is equals to 0. Now, we know that f of x is equals to x minus alpha into q of x. This gives degree of f of x is equals to degree of x minus alpha plus degree of q of x. And it is given that degree of f of x is greater than 1. And here degree of x minus alpha which is equals to 1. This gives that degree of q of x is greater than equal to 1. That is, q of x is non-constant polynomial. Therefore, f of x is product of two non-constant polynomials. And this gives that f of x is reducible in fx. Or we can say that f of x is reducible over the field f.